Alright, cobbers, now I'm going to show you how to code. Alright, check this out. So today we're going to go to my friend's startup. I'm going to log in. Alright. Okay, cool. Okay, dokie. Latest competition. Cool. Not interested in that at the moment. So, gift cards. So what he's got is all of these gift cards. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab every piece of text on that page. Then I'm going to go into text, and then I'm going to go, that's cool, new. Then I'm going to grab all of that. Then I'm going to grab all of that text, and I'm going to go into Google Gemini. I won't use that. I'm going to go into, let's go into Claude. Let's go into Claude. Now, please, I would like you to look at this data and return every business the percentage, and from your knowledge put a short description. The percentage gift card saving, and from your knowledge put a short description on it, less than a short, so we'll just call it a short sentence, to create a data set to build a knowledge bot. Alright, so we're going to upload that. So we're analyzing this data. There we go. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Okay. So this will take a while. So what I might do is I'm going to download that to a JSON file. There it is. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm then going to say, if I go into Streamlit and GitHub, so let's log into GitHub, sign in. Alright, Cool. Okay, let's create a new repository and we'll call this savings sidekick. Okay, add the readme file. None. So we'll create that repository. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sign in here. We'll just continue with Google. Okay. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to create an app. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say, I have downloaded that, haven't I? Yep. Okay. Please write me an application that uses Google Gemini that I can implement in Streamlit.io and GitHub. The intention of the application is to provide a chat interface for the user to type in what they want to buy, and the bot will use its knowledge and the gift cards in the JSON file that you just created to suggest the best card and calculate the likely savings for the customer. Make the bot friendly, colorful, and nice to look at. All right. Okay, so it's creating the Python code. All right. Okay, the requirements.txt, the app.py, the load.environment, the configure page, the custom CSS, the Gemini key, no, but please break it into easy to follow steps to implement for me and break up each file into their own file. Okay, create the virtual environment. Interesting. Alright. Alright, so here is the... So now I want to create... Where is it? Add file. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create the following. So gift card assistant. So I might go back here actually. Projects. All right, let's do a new repository. Let's call it gift card assistant. There we go. Create that. All right, now we're going to add a new file, and we're going to call this one requirements.txt. Requirements.txt. And then we're going to grab that code. We're going to put that in there. Commit the changes. Okay, that's your first step. The second step is going to be create a .env file. So where's the .env? So it's on its own. So we go add file and we call it .env, and then we grab this text here, your Google Gemini API key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Google Gemini and I am going to create a new API key. So we'll grab this key. Yeah, okay, so it's at the top, yep. So I've grabbed that key and I've put that there. Commit the changes. Create that file. Now create the data file. So this is going to be this. Okay, so we're going to add file, create new file. And what we're going to do is you add that and then you put that in there. So that's like a folder. So as you can see, there's this data slash. Now we grab the data file, which is the file that it produced before. So this from the previous response. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up into here. And we're just going to grab all of those businesses down to the square brackets. Okay, so square bracket to square bracket is there to there. And we're going to paste that in there. We're going to commit the changes. We're going to create that file. Now, what we're going to do, so that's that one done. Now, all right. So the implementation guide. Okay, we've got the requirements, we've got the key, we've got the things. Now we need the main application. So we need to create the source. Let's go add file, new file. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put that in there. So src.app. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab that file and put that in there. And then we're going to commit those changes, commit those to the system. Now what we're going to do, so we go through and check all that. Now the README. So the README I've already got. So I need to go to my README file. And what I'll do is I will edit that. And I will essentially copy and paste the code in there. Commit the changes. Save that. Now, connect to your GitHub repository and add your key. Okay, so if I go, I want to deploy, paste the GitHub URL. So what I want is I essentially want the top folder. Now I think that's it there. Let's see if that's right. At the py file, okay. So the source, the app.py file. So I'm pretty sure that's it there. There we go. Now we can call this savings side. Oh no, we'll call it the application name actually. We'll call it gift card assistant. Okay, so that is available. And we're going to hit deploy. So I believe I don't need those deployment steps. I just do this and it automatically deploys it across. So now it is in the oven. So it is deploying the application now. I'd be very surprised if this works. Okay, here we go. So what am I planning to buy? A laptop. Hey! Worked on the first go. So, supermarket. There you go. What else do I want to buy? I want to buy some oil for my car. Whatever, yeah. Okay, what about clothing? I rest my case. This is the most beautiful way of doing this. and just check out the application. Beautiful. And I can go and prompt that to change that. I can deploy that. Just a shout out. This is my mate's really trying to get this off the ground. I actually think this is really good value. There is actually a calculator here that you can go in and put your monthly spend in and then look at your savings. There is literally, so like if I spend, I probably spend, $1,200 on groceries. Let's say I spend, let's say $300 on fuel. Let's say I spend $200 eating out. I might spend, $100 on movie tickets. Might spend $200 on grog. There's some pretty big savings here pretty quickly. I don't know, I just thought this was a cool example. Sort of shows you behind the veil. We wrote this code. I might talk to my friend and see if we can put this up, this application. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. So check it out. Cheers.